Good morning, it's time to wake up. Good morning, it's time to wake up. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Let's get dressed for the day. Let's get dressed for the day. Brush your teeth, please. Brush your teeth, please. Don't forget to wash your face. Don't forget to wash your face. Come have breakfast. Come have breakfast. Do you want cereal or toast? Do you want cereal or toast? Finish your breakfast. Finish your breakfast. Remember to take your vitamins. Remember to take your vitamins. Please finish your milk. Please finish your milk. Be careful when opening the fridge, kiddo. Be careful when opening the fridge, kiddo. Pack your school bag. Pack your school bag. Put on your shoes, we're going out. Put on your shoes, we're going out. It's time to go to school. It's time to go to school. Don't forget your jacket, it's chilly. Don't forget your jacket, it's chilly. Have a great day at school. Have a great day at school. Listen to your teacher and be good. Listen to your teacher and be good. I'll pick you up after school. I'll pick you up after school. How was your day at school? How was your day at school? Do you have any homework? Do you have any homework? Let's do your homework together. Let's do your homework together. Can you help clean the windows? Can you help clean the windows? Can you help me with dinner? Can you help me with dinner? Time to wash your hands before dinner. Time to wash your hands before dinner. Let's have dinner. Let's have dinner. Finish all your vegetables. Finish all your vegetables. Help me clean up the table. Help me clean up the table. Can you help me with the dishes? Can you help me with the dishes? Can you clean up the bathroom? Can you clean up the bathroom? Time to take a bath. Time to take a bath. Put on your pajamas. Put on your pajamas. Brush your teeth before bed. Brush your teeth before bed. Do you want a bedtime story? Do you want a bedtime story? Let's say a prayer before bed. Let's say a prayer before bed. Good night, sleep tight. Good night, sleep tight. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Finish your chores before playing. Finish your chores before playing. Let's tidy up your room. Let's tidy up your room. Can you help fold the laundry? Can you help fold the laundry? Please put your dirty clothes in the hamper. Please put your dirty clothes in the hamper. Put your toys away. Put your toys away. Help me with the groceries. Help me with the groceries. We need to run some errands. We need to run some errands. Please set the table for dinner. Please set the table for dinner. Did you feed the pet? Did you feed the pet? It's time for a snack. It's time for a snack. Drink your water. Drink your water. Let's read a book together. Let's read a book together. Playtime is over. Let's clean up. Playtime is over. Let's clean up. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Be kind to your siblings. Be kind to your siblings. Tell me about your day. Tell me about your day. Time to turn off the TV. Time to turn off the TV. Don't stay up too late. Don't stay up too late. I love you. Always remember that. I love you. Always remember that. Let's do some exercise together. Let's do some exercise together. Can you help me water the plants? Can you help me water the plants? You are a wonderful helper. You are a wonderful helper. Let's go for a drive. Let's go for a drive. Do you want to go for a bike ride? Do you want to go for a bike ride? Let's practice your spelling words. Let's practice your spelling words. Let's do some coloring. Let's do some coloring.